In this setup of Microwave Training Lab MWL10, we have connected a shorting plate at the end of waveguide at the directional coupler, and we will try to measure the standing waves formed because of maximum VSWR in the waveguide because the shorting plate is connected at the end of the transmission line. So right now we have set up at voltage minima, and if we read from the vernier, it is showing a minima at 16.7. So at 16.7 a first minima is formed, and if we see the display of the VSWR meter, it is reading a level of around 51 microvolt. You can go to the measure option. Now in order to find out the first maxima, we will move the probe. So we have already measured first minima at 16.7. Now we will move the probe gently. And as you can see, as we are moving the probe, we are reaching towards the maximum. We'll move the probe backward again. So this is where we are getting a maxima at around 26.5 or something. So we'll press Vmax, and it is set at 0 dB. Now we'll try to search another next minima. So again, as you can see, the reading is falling down. So we try to move the probe forward and backward in order to ascertain the minimum. Now we have confirmed that this is the minimum, and it is reading at around 35.3. So it is showing second minima at 35.3. So right now it is showing SWR of 1.6, which has to be little higher in case of a shorting plate being connected, because the short will cause maximum standing waves in the waveguide. But the same setup can be used to measure the guide wavelength, because we have found the first minima at around 16.7 and second minima at around 35.6. So this can be used to measure the guide wavelength with the help of two minimas.